Have you ever thought about starting your own vegetable garden? This question often sparks curiosity and excitement in the minds of many. It's a journey that begins with a single seed and evolves into a flourishing ecosystem right in your own backyard. The pursuit of gardening is not only a rewarding hobby, but also a way to cultivate your own fresh and healthy produce. So where does one begin this green adventure? By breaking down the process into easy, manageable steps, anyone can start their own vegetable garden. Firstly, it's essential to choose the right spot for your garden. A location that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight a day is ideal. Morning sun, which is less intense than afternoon sun, is best for vegetables. Secondly, it's all about the soil. The foundation of any good garden is nutrient-rich soil. Start with a basic soil test to determine what your soil lacks and what it has in abundance. This will guide you in adding the right nutrients to balance it out. The third step is planning your garden. Decide what vegetables you want to grow and ensure they're suitable for your climate and season. A good tip is to start small and expand as you gain experience and confidence. The fourth step is to prepare the ground. Remove any existing grass or weeds and turn the soil over. This is also the time to add any necessary soil amendments based on your soil test results. The fifth step is planting. Follow the instructions on your seed packets or plant labels for how deep and far apart to plant each type of vegetable. The sixth step is watering. Newly planted seeds and seedlings will need consistent watering until they are well established. The final step is patience. Gardening is a slow and steady process. Growth takes time, and every garden has its own pace. In summary, starting your own vegetable garden involves choosing a sunny spot, testing and preparing your soil, planning what to plant, preparing the ground, planting your chosen vegetables, providing consistent water, and practicing patience. Embracing the process is part of the joy of gardening. It's a continual learning experience that rewards not just with bountiful produce, but also with the satisfaction of nurturing life from a tiny seed. So, embark on this green journey and discover the joys and rewards of starting your own vegetable garden. Remember, every great garden started with a single seed, and yours can too.